Welcome to InvestoSphere, your trusted destination for unlocking new income opportunities and financial growth. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked but powerful income sources, your hobbies. Yes, the things you love doing in your free time can actually become a reliable stream of income. Whether it's painting, gaming, cooking, writing, or gardening, you can turn your passion into profit with the right strategy and a bit of consistency. If you're someone in the US aged between 18 and 60, looking to earn extra money, or even transition into doing what you love full-time, this video is tailored for you. Let's unlock the earning potential hidden in your everyday interests. Section 1. Understanding the value of a hobby. Before we start monetizing, let's understand what hobbies actually are in the income sense. A hobby is not just a pastime. It's a skill set, a creative outlet, and often a deeply personal expression of yourself. The key to turning a hobby into income is identifying the overlap between what you enjoy, what people need, and what they're willing to pay for. We'll explore how this works in practice across different hobby types. Section 2. Hobbies that can be turned into income. Let's explore top hobbies that can become income streams. Writing, freelance writing, blogging, copywriting, ebooks. Art and design, selling prints, print-on-demand commissions. Photography, stock photography, event shoots, selling presets. Gaming, streaming, game testing, YouTube game content. Crafting, selling handmade products on Etsy or Shopify. Gardening, selling herbs or produce, YouTube gardening tips. Cooking or baking, recipe blogs, meal prep services, cooking classes. Fitness, personal training, fitness plans, fitness YouTube or IG. Music, teaching instruments, selling beats, performing. Tech tinkering, building websites, freelancing, tech consulting. Section 3. Finding your niche and audience. Once you identify your monetizable hobby, the next step is to niche down. For example, instead of just writing, focus on writing travel guides for budget travelers. Niche helps you stand out in a saturated market. Then comes the audience. Who will pay you for your service or product? Are they on YouTube, Etsy, Fiverr, or TikTok? Knowing where your audience hangs out helps you reach them effectively. Section 4. Platforms to monetize hobbies. YouTube, great for tutorials, vlogs, teaching. Etsy, for handmade, artistic, or printable goods. Fiverr/Upwork, for freelance services. Instagram/TikTok, for growing an audience and selling products. Teachable/Skillshare, for online courses and teaching. Gumroad, for selling digital products. Patreon, for building a membership community. Section 5. Creating a monetization strategy. Think of this like a small business. You need to plan how to market your hobby, price your products or services, offer value that solves a problem, build an online presence, social media, website, portfolio, engage and grow your audience, reinvest profits back into your tools or education. Section 6. Mistakes to avoid when monetizing a hobby. Don't start without validating demand. Avoid burnout by setting boundaries. Don't ruin the fun. Don't underprice your skills just because it's a hobby. Not building an email list or community. Relying on one income platform. Diversify. Success stories to inspire you. We'll now go through real examples of people in the US who turned hobbies into full-time or side incomes. A mom who turned cupcake baking into a profitable YouTube channel and ebook sales. A high school teacher who sold Canva templates online. A gardener who built a six-figure income on TikTok. A gamer who now earns from Twitch streaming and YouTube. These stories will not only inspire you, but also show the practicality of this path. Scaling your hobby business. Once income starts flowing, think about scaling. Create multiple products or services. Automate repetitive tasks. Collaborate with others. Outsource time-consuming work. Build a brand around your identity. You don't need to start with a big budget or expert-level skills to monetize a hobby. You only need commitment, a smart strategy, and the willingness to try. Imagine earning money from something you genuinely love doing every single day. That is the dream, and it's within reach if you start now. So, what hobby do you have that you think could be your next income stream? Comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth money-making ideas, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new strategy. Let's turn your passions into profit together.